Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to permanently disable the Windows 11 recall feature so it stops running in the background and collecting the snapshots. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to click on this start icon here on your Windows PC or laptop. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for settings. Now once you are here in the settings of your device, click on the option of privacy and security in the left hand section. Over here you need to scroll down and here you need to try to find the option of recall and snapshot. If you are not able to find it over here, you can also use the search bar here in the top and you can search for recall and snapshot from the privacy settings. Over here you need to turn the toggle button on right next to the screenshot option, and this is going to basically stop the new snapshots being taken. In the same menu you can also select the option of delete the snapshot, and you can also remove them from the recall that is already saved. You can also press Windows plus R on your keyboard in order to find this type of dialog box in front of you. Over here you need to type a command which is called services.msc. Once you have done that, you need to find the recall services in the list. Then right click on that, choose the properties and set the startup type to disabled and click on the option of stop. This way you will be able to permanently disable Windows 11 recall. No more background snapshots slowing down your PC or tracking your activity. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips, and comment if you want me to show how to remove the recall completely from your system. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.